In today's video, we are going to discuss the top 7 benefits of the keto diet. But before we get started, we suggest that you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. This way, you will be notified anytime we release new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Anytime you hear people talking about the keto diet, you are probably wondering how it could be as good as people say that it is. The main reason that so many people talk so highly of the keto diet is because of the fact that it offers enough benefits to completely change your life. So let's dive in and learn more about the keto diet. The keto diet is a program that recommends a meal plan that is very low carb with moderate protein intake and high in fats. When eating this way, your body is sent into a metabolic state known as ketosis. The body enters a state of ketosis when it no longer has stores of glycogen, sugar, to fuel its energy needs. When your body depletes all of its stored glycogen storage, the body has no choice but to tap into the stores of fat to survive. The liver then converts fat reserves into ketones to present to the body as an energy source, which is why the keto program is a good way to lose fat. So let's take a look at the top 7 benefits of starting a keto diet. Unlike other ways of eating that offer dieters a weight loss benefit and little else, the keto diet comes with several benefits. The first and most obvious benefit of the keto diet is weight loss. Without a doubt, weight loss is the primary goal of the keto diet. It works because it makes the body look to its fat reserves to power its metabolism. But let's dig a little bit deeper into why you can lose so much weight when you get into ketosis and start living a ketogenic lifestyle. When the body is deprived of carbohydrates, it enters a state of ketosis. Blood sugar and insulin levels fall when this happens. As the body taps the energy in fat cells, they release considerable quantities of water, making for some great weight loss. The fat cells are then able to enter the bloodstream and make their way to the liver, where they are turned into ketones for energy processing. As long as your diet allows you to stay in a caloric deficit, you can enjoy the weight loss benefits of the keto diet. The second main benefit of the keto diet is that it takes the edge off of your appetite. When your diet isn't heavy on carbs, you'll find that you don't crave as much food as you have in the past. Many people who live a ketogenic lifestyle are able to fast most of the day, while only eating at mealtimes because they are simply not as hungry as they were before. The third main benefit of the keto diet is that it improves your ability to focus. When you choose a regular diet or a standard American diet that puts carbs into the body, your brain has to deal with the rise and fall in sugar levels. Inconsistent energy levels can make it hard for the brain to focus. However, with a keto diet, the energy source is constant and consistent, and thus the brain is better able to stay focused. The fourth main benefit of the keto diet is that you will have and enjoy more energy. When you are on a standard diet, your body is always on the verge of running out of energy. You need to constantly eat and refuel. With the keto diet, the body taps its fat reserves, which is a nearly unending energy source. The body is then able to maintain constant energy levels throughout the day, resulting in you feeling much more energetic throughout your day. The fifth main benefit of the keto diet is that it helps your body fight off and reverse the effects of diabetes. When you suffer from type 2 diabetes, your body experiences high levels of insulin. Since the keto diet takes excess sugar from your diet, it helps stabilize HbA1c counts and reverse the effects of type 2 diabetes. The sixth main benefit of the keto diet is that you get improved levels of good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps get rid of the body's bad cholesterol reserves. When you are in ketosis, your body's triglyceride levels fall and your HD level increases. The seventh main benefit of the keto diet is that you will experience healthier blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that when you're on the keto diet, your blood pressure drops. Many people on the keto diet find that they are able to stop taking blood pressure medicine altogether. The keto diet can truly change a person's life. And it isn't a difficult lifestyle to live and maintain. There are plenty of great recipes for the keto diet, so all it takes is the willingness to give it a shot to feel the benefits for yourself. After months of taking body deteriorating drugs from my doctors, multiple different diets, and many crazy methods and techniques, I was finally and luckily introduced to the keto diet. If you are looking to reverse all signs of diabetes, ridding yourself of all of the toxic prescriptions that your doctor has you on, and completely repair your body from the inside, I'm offering a free keto diet guide just below this video. In this book, you will learn so much about the keto diet, including everything that you need to know to get started. If you like this video, please feel free to leave us a thumbs up in the comment section below. If there is anything else that we can do to improve, please let us know that as well. If you would like to be notified anytime we release new videos about reversing diabetes, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.